The Owens Link Instructor Station has been redesigned and is easier to use, all programmed by a touchscreen interface. The desktop computer is located in the bottom right-hand corner. You may have to turn that on if you'd like to use it. On the left side, you'll also notice there's a combined DVD VCR player. You may have to turn that on if you like to use video for your class. Otherwise, the touchscreen interface is where you'll be able to control everything. If it's dark when you come in, all you'll have to do is touch the screen to wake it up. You do not have to use the buttons on the side. They are not programmed at this time. To begin, all you have to do is touch the screen and the televisions will all power up. It may take 15 to 20 seconds for the monitors to come on, so please be patient. You'll notice that there are signs beneath the monitors in the back of the room. On the left side, you should see your Finley classroom. On the right side, you will see what the Finley students are seeing. The system will usually come up with the local computer displayed, but right now we are showing the instructor station. If you look at the touchscreen interface, you'll see the options to change to different sources. So right now, if I'd like to show the students the computer display, I simply press the button that says Host Computer. Then up on the screen, you can see the host computer, and also in the front of the room, your Toledo students will see the computer as well. To switch between sources, it's just simply a matter of pressing the different buttons on the touchscreen. At the bottom, you'll see two buttons, Instructor Camera, Student Camera. Instructor Camera is a good source to use so that the Finley and Toledo students can see who you are. You'll also notice when you press the instructor camera, you'll have camera controls, whether it be zoom in, zoom out, or you can steer the camera to make it, to give it the shot that you like. Okay? If you would like to switch to the student camera, you'll have to go back to the main menu. Right now we're on the instructor camera, so you can press either main or the return button. Either will take you back to the main menu where you could then select the student camera. And you'll have controls to operate the student camera. This way, Finley will be able to see your Toledo students. Okay, again, to go back to any other source, you'll just click the main button or the return button, and you can then decide which of the sources that you want the students to see. Remember that the microphones, there are two microphones. One is located on the instructor station. The other microphone can be carried out and placed somewhere in the room, and it has a very wide pickup range so that if your students are talking, it will pick up the entire room, and because the room is smaller, the audio quality will be better. Your Finley students will be able to hear as well. The document camera is available. There is a power button on the side of the document camera. To switch to it, simply press the document camera button, and you'll then see on the screen it shows what the students, if you have any overhead transparencies or anything, the students will be able to see that in Finley as well as in Toledo on the big screen. Okay, there's also phone numbers if you would ever have any issues. You can call one of the numbers. There is an AV hotline on there that will always connect you with someone from the audio-visual department for support. The telephone is located right next to the computer monitor. And when you're finished with your class, all you'll have to do is go to the touch screen and simply click the off button. It will ask you if you're sure. Once you say yes, all the monitors will power off and you can leave the room.